man.
I pull the string, save your life, but Jake, I'm here. Red pack, I never follow it, but it's here. The real warfare tactics, I might get mad, like a spear. So I chop, gotta be quiet, like a deer. On this bitch, bullets fall like a fucking beer. Every fiber, I just gotta get some. Lots of people that drop up the shots, and I'm dropping the team. Don't tap, drop behind the shots. Had to clean the shop, ugly and you broke.
Alright, yo, we're gonna try to bond out. I'm blocking it. Just gonna primer this part.
You know what I mean?
I'm gonna bond out. Alright, y'all, we waiting for the bondo to dry. Never showed them the bullet engine before.
Fucking, which one called Mishimoto?
Oh, Mishimoto, radiator, huh?
I doubt you can even see it.
I know you can't see it.
The fucking seat compressors in the front.
So red. What? Damn, I missed a 2-valve. Oh, it feels like a race car, Cuddy. Yeah, yes sir. Damn. Let's click that shit. Turn it. Oh, yeah, I forgot I got this. Want to install this with me?
What?
Want to put this on with me?
Yeah.
A fuel cap?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Won't even turn.
What? Okay.
Yeah, let me. Here, you want I'm gonna take this off so we can put it on. Oh. Here, hold it. Film me. Oh, I got it.
Oh, got it?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Here we go.
Now we gotta put this on.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh.
Oh, it fits. Take my old one off because it doesn't work. Put it on.
Okay.
Tighten it until it clicks. You gotta tighten it. Like this. See? Done. Go far. Too slow. Too slow. Alright, y'all, it's damn near dry. Alright, y'all, my footage got corrupted from yesterday. Oh, so damn near finished blending it. Kinda. Do feel like a low spot right here though. I might add some Bondo, then just sand it. But the dent feels alright. It should be good though. This one's perfect. But I add more filler right here and right here. about to fill in the holes for the spoiler and shit. I might run it without the wing. I don't know, might. We'll see, guys. Damn, I gotta detail this shit, bruh. Yeah, I gotta sand this down. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go take up the spots I need to sand down.
Nigga, we some hot boys, so you know I keep a chop, nigga. Little BJ, that's gonna get your ass pop. Me and 2K used to fuck the same thoughts. Sliding, getting shitty in that Hellcat, chipping the whip tires, burning that you smell that.
Alright, y'all, fill in. Or I taped all the spots we need a bond on. Like, probably can't see it. This chip, that, right there. And I taped up the holes so I can fill them in. There's a little dent right here. That's pretty much it, I think. I might fix this wing and sell it or some shit. Or I'll give it away if you guys want it. I might do a delete and just put a carbon decollete right there. Alright, we're gonna mix up the bond. I got the red cream. Dries faster. Got my homemade stick.
I know you smell that. Damn near. Need to call me Mr. Scam-a-lot. I'm gonna call him Shakespeare cause he like to ham a lot. How you keep it 10 toes? But you ran a lot. Riding my things in the north. Damn near ran a block. Keep on running, young buck. I know your man's hot. How they gonna call him G-Man? He ain't never seen some rock airing at your house like the ladies. Had to clean the shop. Ugly and you broke. That's a demeanor shot. Yeah, nigga, this that hot shit. Be your block with this shot. Make your top flip. I'll make it famous with this tech. Fuck the ops, bitch. And I'm not nigga clean your corner with that mop stick. So how you wanna start a war on only Glocks, nigga? We some hot boys, so you know I keep a chop, nigga. Little BJ, that's gonna get your ass pop. Me and 2K used to fuck the same thoughts. Sliding, getting shitty in that Hellcat.
I don't have enough time, guys. I fucked up on this one. It got hard hella quick. Damn, should never wear these pants. Alright, this would look a little better than this. It dried hella quick. This one should come out better. Easier to sand. Alright, y'all, I sanded this down. I had to add Bondo. This one should be enough. Just gotta shape it. We'll do 80, then 180 after. Then with 320. I just sand it down with 80. Still waiting for this one to dry. I gotta put Bondo on this one. And this one. And these two. Should be good. Oh, hella forgot about this one. I'll get more masking tape though. Update, guys. My wrap came. Hopefully it wraps the whole thing though. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, you can't see the color, but I'll show it in the next video. Okay, get this from Vivid. Alright, y'all, it's the next
Half hours later.
next day. I rebonded this because there was like a low spot, but other than that, everything's good. Pretty much. Bond. Well, finally bonded this part. Yes. Forgot about this part. They already bonded. The low spots right here, right there. Then we should be good for primer. So we can start wrapping this thing. I gotta clean it first though. So I'm waiting for that to dry. I'll fix this a little bit. Gotta get this thing running. She's about to get the CCRM. Then we're gonna put it on. Should be. You gotta take the fender lines off. Take the wheel off, and we should be able to get that out. Alright, y'all. I blended the patch in. Loki looks perfect. Check this out. Sheesh. Damn near or what? That's pretty good too. And I patched it. I blended the patch on this one. You can see. That's ready for primer. That should be ready for primer. This one's ready for primer. I gotta sand this down. And the rest of these.
Day 4.
Looking like a bucket. Alright, are we taking Johnny's spot? Does it look straight?
2 to 4 hours.
Shit.
To dry.
Not perfect, but it's good.
Like when the wraps on there, you won't even be able to
I know.
honestly, compared to like how bad it was to try to wrap.
It's
like,
not bad though. We actually fixed it a little bit. It's good, bro. Jake at? Need an update. Update. We just primered everything. Johnny did. They can't paint.
no help to Jake. Fired.
Oh no. Yes, sir. I'm gonna just run it like this. Oh, I was just looking for you for an update, bruh.
Update. I don't even know what's going on out here. I've been thugging inside, but the phone's been beeping.
Yeah, he's not working, bruh. He's getting fired.
I'm tired, bro.
We're not
I've been
supposed
doing
to
yard
ask.
work. You should see my yard.
Or update.
Update. We just need primer. You feel me?
We just primered it.
Update. I've been lacking. They primered it already.
Nerd.
Smells good.
I'm gonna run it like this. sell the wrap because I'm broke.
Okay, run it like this.
You buy cans.
Polo pants.
So what?
I know, how many times are you gonna say bubble?
Bubble.